Hello students, hope you are all well. So today it is the continuation chapter. So let's start the topic, and if you have any queries regarding it, please convey that. Okay, so let's start today's topic.
It is the continuation part of the microorganisms friend and foe. Today I will start with the algae. So what is an algae? The algae is a simple plant that contain the chlorophyll. That means they have the capacity to prepare their own food, and they are popularly known as the seaweed. Let's come to the habitat. They are generally found in the moist places such as the rock crevices and in the aquatic habitats like the pond, ditches, stagnant water. This is size ranges from the 1 micron to the several meter. What is the structure? Algae have a thyroid body instead of the two roots. See, there is generally the absence of the any kind of true roots. It is generally a thyroid body, and with the stems and the leaves are generally not present in the case of the algae. They are generally either unicellular or the multicellular and living in the colonies or the singularly. Okay. Now let's come, that is the what are the generally types of the algae. Green algae, blue algae, brown algae, red algae, golden brown algae. So you have to learn the various algae along with the example. Okay. The example of the green algae is the Spirogyra. Blue-green algae, Anabaena. Brown algae, Fucus. Red algae, that is the Polysophenia. And the golden brown algae, Diatoms. Okay. Now this comes the nutrition. Nutrition means the algae has the capacity to prepare their own food by the process of the photosynthesis. That means they are generally the producers or the autotrophic. Reproduction means they have the capacity to reproduce as either by the binary fission or as a generally fragmentation or by the sexual means. Okay, that means in the case of the reproduction procedure, the algae have the capacity to reproduce either by the sexually or by the asexually. Let's come to the benefit of the algae. It is generally used as a fertilizer. The blue-green algae are generally have the capacity to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and therefore they are used as a fertilizers. Okay. Food for the aquatic organisms is generally, see, we have already seen that is the fish also generally eat the plant. So that plant are generally the algae. Okay. Now food for the humans, various types of algae are generally used as a food. Suppose it is the spirulina, cholera are the rich generally sources of the protein. Now vitamins and the minerals, algae are generally rich in the vitamins and the minerals. Brown algae such as the kelps are important source of the iodine, sodium and the potassium. Okay. Now generally the industrial uses, agar-agar, algin, diatoms and the fodder for the animals. These are generally the industrial uses. Okay. Agar-agar means it is generally obtained from the red algae and used in the manufacture of the jellies and the cosmetics. Algin is generally prepared. Algin is used for preparing the ice cream. Diatoms are generally rich in the silica and therefore they are used in making the filters, glasses and the porcelain dishes. Okay. And fodder for the animals, like they are generally the seaweeds such as the laminaria are used as the fodder for the sheep and the cattle. So these are today we have learned the habitat, size, structure, generally nutrition, reproduction along with the benefits of the algae, right? So please go through it along with the example and be very much specific about the example, because if there is any kind of spelling mistakes, there will be the reduction of the marks. So you have to practice the spellings thoroughly from this chapter. Okay. So let's go through it, and if you have any queries, please convey that. Okay. Thank you.